Hi friends, I've got some style tips today. I've put a white t-shirt on today because I figured most people have got a white t-shirt in their wardrobe. Because I want to share with you some really easy and quick tips of how you can just bring that white t-shirt and make it look a little bit more stylish. So the first tip, very obvious, I've got red lipstick on. Now, often you wouldn't think to put red lipstick as such a kind of dressy lip with such a casual t-shirt, but I think wearing such a casual t-shirt automatically plays down the look of the lip and makes it all kind of work together. I've also put on a drop earring because I really enjoy the juxtaposition of something dressy with something really casual. So that's a really good tip actually. In your wardrobe, play around with something smart with something casual, put the two together and see how they can work. It's a great way of getting more wears out of some of the things in your wardrobe that perhaps you're not wearing too much of because you're more of a casual dresser. So on my legs, I've got these pleather trousers. And again, I've just tucked in just the front of the t-shirt and then ruched it over. So it gives it a slightly more kind of relaxed vibe. And then on my feet, I've put on these brown ankle boots. And if you're ever wishing to make your black trouser look slightly more casual, put a brown shoe on. Doesn't sound very exciting, does it, by saying a brown shoe? But brown will always earth black and make it look a little bit more casual. I hope these tips inspire. This is my look today, going to work, and see you soon for more tips. Bye.